Mamima wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what frame Ajua searching.
Moye kasa na moye o bae enche o bae wa metu skebia o bae mo munya sa Jimmy kasa no enye nyansa kasa. You are giving him a reason to fail. Since independent, President Bieni ho awa obae ani aboa boys kan wo se wi Kwame Nkrumah nko afiri honoma. President Bieni honoma obae ni aboa boys kan bu honoma obe fa ya ori ye Ghana yi. Nti sa ankasa no munya sa kasa naka. Na monka monpe bibi foforo nka because say ya na ebe kono dia Masa and we are not on the right path. Say ye said ye kono ye say ya na ebe kono. Say there's no change. Masa any nka baby ani e wono enu mumu ye far better. Very very far better. Say the John Dramani Mahama ye sa no be for 4 years Masa obe me abre too much. Ye bebre papa because who she be bianco so. And I knew when Tini Paki come man to mono motete or Masa Monkasa. Na the enquiry in one ye because yes, you trust and unis and a church. Why? What is that?
Ghana for Mama you. Me see a be a Nadia, your partner won't know how I yes say I know. How I am money per bedroom is a Ghana for Agnes you said in Prebiasa, Manusi Siminaso, and Juma. Or finance minister Cotradi. What kind Yenina TV. Ghana ni bia uti BBR TV. And ne Ubia for budget no aid you mu. Ubia man commentary about the budget. Yako kind the one casa finance minister Troyena was a jandam. Jandam jandam not see anything. Oh, Charlie, sometimes NDC don't let us even feel proud being Ghanaian sometimes. Because first, now Komokas will be a Ghanaian. When they say so be a Ghanaian, it carry a lot of weight. But these people is making the whole Ghana identity so cheap and so low-minded. Say it's like, just tell me, are you in MPP? Yes, I'm in MPP, then it's good. It doesn't make sense. Nonsense, to me personally, doesn't make sense. American MPP for the other because you are lying. But I'm actually reading what your finance minister said. I'm not reading anything different. What your finance minister said is what I'm reading. Or say it is jandam. Anyways, sorry. Let's get on. One of the reasons Omokoye budget, they said they were going to cut budget. Okay, they were going to cut budget. I feel yeah budget by budget ya womo pass ya womo so womo de better budget so no higher than the omo beton ye. Na and then niam miensa bi na me pese me di ho nkomo. The first one Emma ewo Ghana, especially edwedifo ma one no ekọ pene ye one no kọti ase se ye bibie bank bi e de amayen na se nyame ya adom na se ye ba power mo Emma no so no matumi aba ho aba begigi loan ene de keka ho de omo kan yi ni ode no to nche ya omo ka kire say in terms of your education no omo bana omo the private schools kra aba beka ho na oma shemoke na nkola na di DM ne omo niamamu ni na ayeye ene ede na wo budget ni. Thank you. The next one I'm saying person me di ho komo this whole meyi or ma abolish tax bi. Now mo amutie Felix Apia na matie me for some time. Samo be kaya ebra almost started say omu yusu betting tax any emission tax e dey a campaign. Me be a program wa ha top form big up yourself. And I me catch them say Ghana bebunu ma weni na ho. Ma when in the hot say and now to is a show vetting winning so. Na say 10% to be to say the amo can ya free so. And ya buying. Two. The fact to say ye the parliament, na sebio adie no ya passe and say it has been implemented. It is a corner say you say ye be betting tax a free wa ye implement it so it doesn't take effect. Ebano MPP amembu mo mo a typical example a eton ye ebra na nanado ewo ho. Mo kai say ye ka say ye de bibi beto electricity so commercial and residential be buy be ma kenofori atankofo be didi na tempo to obi ni ade until say minister no call parliament ekoka say ade we ya ade a eda ho dada enye ono ne na ekofa ba na as a matter of fact NDC for na de san hye ba ye bra na omowa ba mu na enso ya entrega into the fact say yaka say ya pass budget for this no does not amount or necessarily mean say it is being implemented. Mekai say Samia Uku interview actually mu say platform na mu use no one more platform no so no. Sana said the owners of the platform na mo de mo betting no. Woman na air charges SK. And ya pass Ghana government ewa adwene bi se obegye tax every mo so nanso assistance no yen kiki ni nti obia ni wa yate ne 10% ya akwa aban ho e betna ho e kasa ye se meboa asemo a meken me call Ghana for campaign ekura bi asenke ye bome me call ekura bi asenke ye bome Sister Cynthia Michiao welcome. Ono de or a class prophet into onu wonim say me kan say dey we say obia ni wa Ghana ban agene 10% then tax say we said we ko di loto ntino say be o mate no e ya de a ya ye nhyehyeye ne da ho de na enso enkiki in Ghana for say dey bi da ye ntiase Kufa do no make announcement into sade a yen ko gina so na yen fanto abamfentia o sade ama we ni ama ene me pese me di ho nkomo Lozo's Kitchen. You are welcome in your bema. JP, you know. Shadiu. John Mahama be catch there say or kate budget. Said the be a Ghana for beto. Me pacho me de evidence be be chere wa ha. Ye be share ye be compare the two government no. Nanado any second John awa be na ya hwe say womu mienu no why na dada Ghana for one edi yambo. Mesramo figures ya me dey bay enya me kwesi apia me figures. That is the figures that is there. And only figures ya okoye archives mu Ghana dey okohwehwa eye no ene wo. Appendix 4A expenditure allocation 2024 ebra na ye papa Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ewo ho. Me pacho mon like page no na mon click so ma me nenko me demo ase. Document ya menemu echi His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo budget ya oye in the year 2024. Me kai se ye sa budget we kakawiri abrokwa a ono de ka no nkwa ni nipa ewo Ghana. Yes, several there's a complaint on the Adongo. Me kaipa Adongo ya Adongonomics. Ye de kakawure abrokwa okude tose proye. Ye de government has bloated the then government 327 million. Adding 327 million yen to me or minor we broke. Adding tina budget government machine 300 or the better news file in our canini. Omo kanini na nti ye de ene ye no mu bi de ene